Please, Tiffany, if you have any messages to tell the world, I leave the floor now to you.
Well, my message to the world is very simple. Come to Eritrea, have an experience, and tell somebody about your experience. Pay attention to what's going on, but come and see for yourself. You know, there's nothing like having your actual experience, because then you really know. Because hearsay is one thing, but actually seeing with your own eyes, being, it's a whole nother thing. I remember before I came the first time, people were telling me, oh, you need to bring your own toilet paper. You should bring a flashlight. You might want to bring your own food. You might want to all this stuff they're telling me, trying to scare me, right? And then I get here, I didn't need none of that mess. And they were lying. They were lying to me. From my experience anyways, from the places I went, the people I were around, it was fine. It was like, nobody knows English, nobody said, people speak English here. People know how to communicate here. The things that I was being told, I was like, oh, these are people that either have never been here before, or they have listened to somebody else, or they're trying to make sure that I never go, that I don't go, that putting fear in me, keeping me away from my land. I'm gonna go see. My daddy wanted me to see, and so I came to see. And I'm so glad, and I feel like I'm honoring him. I'm honoring all my ancestors being here, and what I know I can bring to the land is gonna really enhance all of us.
Before we wrap up, I want to ask you about something. Last time you visit to a place, there is this thing called Nigdet in Eritrea. People gather and they share food, injera, suwa, and I bet you had some of it. So how was your experience?
Oh, it was really good. That was good. Yeah, it was a good time. We danced, we laughed, we ate, met a couple of cute guys. You know, it was a good time. It was a good time. Oh yeah, that was fun. That was fun. You know what